Hello everyone, this is Gavin with TrueDoor Property Management again, here today to present to you 33 Santa Agatha in Rancho Santa Margarita, California. It is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo at 1,027 square feet. It is located in a quiet, family-friendly community that does have access to various amenities, including a community park, pool, jacuzzi, and barbecue. There is lots of shopping and food just nearby, just a short walk away. Lots of grocery stores and other entertainment. We'll go and step inside and show you what this property has to offer. As you step inside, you are greeted by the living room, which features a nice, attractive fireplace. We do have this beautiful tile flooring all throughout the home. Nice big windows, allowing lots of natural light to fill the space. It's a nice little grass area just outside the unit as well. Give you some additional angles of this living space. It's perfect for a family movie night or entertaining any guests. And it leads to the dining room, which features an attractive overhead hanging chandelier. Which opens up to the kitchen, which does have bar style countertops. So if you wanted to use some bar stools for some additional seating, you could do so. Nice open kitchen featuring elegant hardwood cabinetry, as well as some beautiful tile countertops. Lots of counter space. It is equipped with a stove and oven, as you can see here, as well as an overhead vent. Lots of cabinet space, lots of counter space, super convenient for your storage. And then this property does have a nice private back patio area. It's covered as well, so perfect for enjoying your morning coffee or just enjoying the fresh air. Continue on and show you the rest of the home. First bedroom is going to be located right over here on the left. Once again, having that beautiful tile flooring. And it does have a sliding door closet. So plenty of room for your storage needs. Nice tall ceilings as well, giving it that nice spacious feel. And then the primary bedroom over here on the left, very generously sized. Nice big windows, 2 of them, allowing lots of natural light to fill the space. Again, we have those tall ceilings in here as well. And then it's gonna have a nice big closet that goes all the way through. So plenty of space for your entire wardrobe. And then you do have the ensuite bathroom, which features a very large vanity, perfect for your morning routine, as well as 2 sinks. Lots of cabinet space down there as well. And then it is going to have a beautiful shower and tub combo with that deep tub for you bath lovers. And then the toilet just right over here. This unit also does have air conditioning as well. So super convenient for those hot summer months. And then the guest bathroom featuring an attractive single vanity at the toilet, and then a nice shower and tub combo. And this unit does come with an attached one-car garage. So we got a little laundry room here. You have your washer and dryer hookups. And then the single car garage for your vehicle storage, just right here. But I think that's gonna wrap it up for us here at 33 Santa Agatha in Rancho Santa Margarita, California. It is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo at 1,027 square feet. It is located in a quiet, family-friendly community that does have access to various amenities, including a park, pool, jacuzzi, and barbecues. This lovely unit does have an attached one-car garage, as well as beautiful tile flooring all throughout. It is located nearby lots of entertainment and dining options here in Rancho Santa Margarita. You definitely do not want to miss out on this one. It is available for rent now. So if you are interested, you can visit our website at www.TrueDoorPM.com in order to schedule a showing or submit an application. Thank you so much, everyone.